Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a portable power station. This was sent over by a company called EBL. These are absolutely perfect if you are going camping, or more importantly, if you want to be prepared in case of emergency or a power outage, because this is going to get you covered. So this little particular model is the 330 watt setup here. And like I said, it's great for camping or emergencies. Once you open it up, naturally you're going to get a user manual. We're covering a lot of the features right here in the video. Then you're going to get the device itself. So as you can see, here it is. It is nice and compact and small. It's about 8 inches wide, about 6 inches in depth, and about 6.5 inches in height. It's got a nice, easy to carry handle. On the top here, it's got a nice little pad for wirelessly charging up your phone. Just simply set your phone there and you're good to go. You'll also notice right here in the front is a nice built-in light. There is a light button. Simply just press that and it's got a nice warm color to it. And then press it again and turns off. You double tap the button, you'll have that SOS mode, which will basically just draw attention if you need it. So it can be utilized as a safety device as well. Now, in addition to this, you're gonna get 2 ways to charge up this device. So first off, you're gonna get the little power adapter that you can just plug into a standard wall outlet. It does charge up pretty fast when utilizing this. So as far as it's going to take a few hours to fully charge up. Now you can also plug this into a cigarette lighter. So if you are camping or whatnot and you have your car, you can charge up the device via just a standard little cigarette lighter plug. And then finally, it does have a third charging, which I haven't been able to use this because I don't have the access to it. But if you do have solar power connections, you can utilize this device to charge up with a solar panel. That obviously will take longer. It will take longer than the standard 6 to 7 hours with the standard plug. The solar panel, just because that depends on the sun and it's a lot slower charging rate. But on the device itself, so you're gonna see right here, you got the power button, simply activate that. You're gonna see in the screen, like right now I'm at 55% battery life, so you get a good snapshot of usage. Then you're gonna have over here the DC plug essentially. You're gonna have two 12 volt 5 amp out DC plugs, and then you're gonna have the cigarette lighter. So if you have any cigarette lighter devices, you can utilize that as well. Simply press the little button to activate it. It'll have a little green light letting you know these ports are activated. Then next to that, you're going to have the USB section. Once again, you press the button, it'll turn it on. You'll notice it also activates here in the little LCD screen. And you're gonna have three 3.0 USB plugs to go ahead and utilize. And then you have a Type-C 60 watt fast charger down here at the bottom. So you got plenty of ways to charge up all your electronics, your watches, your phones, and all that kind of stuff. And then over on the corner, you have a standard AC 110 volt, basically AC outlet, which is rated for that 300 watts. Simply press that, and once again, that is activated, and it will show you also what kind of wattage it is drawing on here as far as use. And then above that, that is going to be your DC in. That is where you're going to plug in all these other various devices to charge it up. Whether you're using your car or whether you're using a wall outlet. Now those DC ports, like I did mention, they are also, they're using about 10 watts as far as the output of them. But overall, it's a nice little compact device. It's absolutely perfect. It's lightweight and compact, which makes it perfect for if you are going camping or traveling. However, also, like I said, if you're just needing something for emergencies, power outages and whatnot, this works great because it can charge up multiple devices in event of emergency. Make sure your phones and all that stuff is good to go while you don't have power. So if you are in the market for a nice portable power station, this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.